Hello, in this video we want to find the Monter between the point A and B. The coordinate point of A is 5, 9, while that of B is 6 and 3. Now, how do we find Monter? What is the meaning? Monter simply means in French, what? You can call Monter the gradient, okay? You can call it slope, you can call it tangent. It can equally be called the ratio between rise and run, that is rise over run. So they all mean the same thing. As you can remember, in our coordinates, Cartesian plane, where we have what? This is y and this is what? X. Okay. Now, if we have 2 points on this Cartesian plane, that's for example, we have, let's say this is the coordinate point of A is 5 and 9. It's just an assumption. Okay. And that of B is 6 and 3. Okay. So the line joining these 2 points, AB, is going to be taken, that is the distance between A and B, is going to be gotten from the distance, formula between 2 points. So invariably, what we are asked to find is the change in y all over change in x, which is called what? The rise over run. Okay, good. Okay, extrapolate. So we want to find this slope. So this is the change in y, and this is the what? Change in x. Okay, from here to here. So that's change in x. So simply put, Monter is equal to change in y all over change in x. And how do you find change in y? That's y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus what? X1. Okay? So all these languages or all these terms, gradient, slope, tangent, rise over run, they all mean what? They all mean the same thing. They all mean the same thing. They're equivalent to the language called Monter. So now we can, from this given example, call this one x1, call this one y1, x2, call this one y2. Okay, fine. So now, therefore, this implies y2 is 3 minus y1 is 9 all over s2 is 6. Okay, s2 is 6, I think 3, yes, correct, minus x1 is 5. So now 3 minus 9 is minus 6 all over 6 minus 5 is 1. All right. And so minus 6 over 1 is equal to what? Minus 6. So this question, or these 2 points rather, have a negative slope, or have a negative Monter. So the Monter between the points A and B, as far as this question is concerned, is minus 6. Now, let me give us an assignment which I want you to solve, and put your answer or write your answer in the comment section. So now find the Monter. Let me write it here. Let me write the assignment question here. Find the Monter between points A and B, where we have A is the x coordinate is 7, y coordinate here is 5, and B of 3, let's say 10. So I want you to find the Monter between those 2 coordinate points. So, and write your answer in the comment section. So if you enjoyed this video, kindly comment, share, and like. God bless you. Bye.